How to stop belching and bloating using different home strategies. No more acid reflux. Belching. Belching, also known as burping, ructus, or eructation, is the expulsion of air or gas from the stomach through the esophagus and mouth. Even though it is a natural body function and can be socially acceptable in some cultures as a sign of appreciation for a good meal, it can also be inconvenient, too frequent, loud, or just bothersome. Stopping belching the easy way. Eat and drink more slowly. Eating or drinking quickly can result in gulping extra air along with the food, resulting in unseemly burps. Slow your roll a little, compadre. Eat in a relaxing environment. Eating in a relaxing place, without stress, is known to limit the amount of burping and flatulence you experience. Chew well with your mouth closed and don't talk while you eat. Chew food completely before swallowing. Talking while you eat also means your mouth is open and you are therefore more likely to swallow air along with your food. Drink water, tea, or other non-carbonated beverages. Carbonated drinks contain carbon dioxide gas. If you do drink carbonation, take smaller sips over a longer period of time. Sip from a glass instead of using a straw or drinking from a can or bottle. Straws take in more air along with the beverage. Slow sips take in the least amount of air. Avoid chewing gum, sucking on hard candy, and smoking. These habits all result in extra air being swallowed into the stomach. If you can, avoid big yawning motions with your mouth. If you feel the urge to yawn, try to keep your mouth closed more than usual and wait for the urge to pass. Change your diet to include fewer gas-producing foods. Baked beans, lentils, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, lettuce, onions, chocolate, and fruits such as apples, peaches and pears can produce gas during digestion, resulting in burping, bloating, and flatulence. Also, avoid foods that contain large amounts of air, such as mousses, souffles and whipped cream. The more air you put down, the more air has to eventually come back up.